Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to explain how to permanently delete your Life360 account. If you no longer want to use the app or need to remove your personal information, first, open the Life360 app on your phone. Once the app is open, next, click on the settings icon located at the top left. Then, from the list of options, tap on Account to access your account settings. Next, scroll down until you see the Delete Account option. Click on it to start the deletion process. Scroll down to check the box that says Yes, I confirm the above. After that, click on Continue to proceed. Life360 will then send a verification email to the address linked to your account. Open your email inbox, find the message from Life360, and click on the verification link. Once you click the link, go back to the app and tap on Verify Email to confirm your account deletion. Finally, your account will be successfully deleted from Life360, and your personal information will no longer be stored in the app. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with others who may need this guide. Thank you for watching and stay connected for MO.